So I'm here at one of my diners, and I just got fired, man. And it wasn't that I was doing a bad job. It just took over new ownerships. And this dirtbag of an owner uh, decides to let me come here and he couldn't even tell me himself. He had to get his worker to tell me. So he fires me and said he doesn't need me anymore. And I said, why? He tells me that he's going to have the bus boys and the back do it. I asked him, well, how are they going to get the outside? And the girl said she don't know. And I said, you mean to tell me he couldn't call me on the phone and tell me this? He had to let me come here and realize I don't have a job? So guess what? I did half the inside just to prove a point. Because he can't just do business like that, man. For a businessman, that's really, really sad and tacky. And if he's doing business like that, he has another diner. I imagine it won't affect his business, but you can't just go do business with people like that, man. That's not right. Karma's a mug, man. What goes around comes around. I bet you if he called me back, I'm going to sock it to him. You better believe that. And if I don't get the job, I really don't care. You know, people like that should be blacklisted from every window cleaner in the future. Matter of fact, I'm going to create a blacklist for those people in the industry that do business with certain corporations. If you have trouble getting paid, let me know. I'll put it on my blacklist. And this blacklist will be worldwide. And this will give window cleaners a leg up, a decision on whether or not we want to do business with you. And this will allow you to gauge on how you should do your pricing. Oh, this guy's a habitual late payer, so we're going to charge X amount of dollars. You feel me? If they see that name on that blacklist, they can decide, okay, well, I don't want to do business with these people, or they can decide whether or not I'm going to charge them higher because they know that they have a habit of paying late. There should be a blacklist all around the world, and I'm going to start it. That sounds like a fantastic idea. So I already got Applebee's in Philadelphia on the list, and this will get people to see a chain. This will get them to see a pattern. If you see the same business from different people, then that means that business is operating in a fashion where maybe they're on the verge of failing. You know, a lot of companies don't run like they should. And if there's a pattern, then we need to know about it because we need to know when we getting paid. But this is Masters at Wagtail. I gotta go in here get paid for the last time, and you know, hey, I got in and got out of this job. It's my last time. What he gonna do? Fire me twice? You feel me? He gonna fire me twice? So what? I did half a job.